Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. So what are the units for standard and absolute temperature scales for SI and Imperial systems? So for the standard for SI is Celsius, and for absolute it's Kelvin. For the Imperial/English system, we've got Fahrenheit for the standard, and for absolute, we've got Rankine. Okay, so that is those covered. Before we leave, I highly recommend that you save this video onto your PC, just in case this video or the channel gets taken down, even though I follow all copyright laws as best I can. So use the snipping tool. I'm sure you know how to use it. For those that don't, just follow the steps below. And for Mac users, use the Mac equivalent. Alright, so you can find it in your taskbar. If not, search in the Windows search bar. Then once you've got the snipping tool, click on video option. Click on new, left click drag, and cover your YouTube screen. This is just an example. Then hit the start button, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button, let the video finish, hit the red square to stop recording, then control save and save your video. Alright, like and subscribe. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks, share with your friends. This is a made up question, so they won't be able to find it. If you got questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. Until next time, see ya.